Guys, welcome back. So I'm super excited for this. In this video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing of this one right here, which is the 2019 MacBook Pro. I actually own a 2017 MacBook Pro, which I'm in the process of selling it. So I'll be doing a separate video of why I actually sold my 2017 MacBook Pro. There was nothing wrong with the laptop, but yeah, I'll get into that in the details of that video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. There are some pretty good interesting facts on the 2017 model, so make sure you check that one out because the 2017 MacBook Pro was not perfect. There were a lot of defects on that one. So in here is the 2019 MacBook Pro. Let's unbox this. I'll tell you what I've put into this 2019 MacBook Pro and the things that I have left out. So let me just rip this open. Okay, so here we have it, the 2019 MacBook Pro. I love how Apple does their packaging. Right when you lift this up, the computer raises up as well. And let me just fully take it out. There it is. So super excited for this one. Okay, so here is that 2019 MacBook Pro. So before we get into anything, so here is my order for this MacBook Pro. So I've actually upgraded everything except for the hard drive. I've only gone to 2 terabytes. My 2017 had 1 terabyte, and that 1 terabyte was not enough for video editing. Sometimes while I was doing my video edits, just the file by itself can go from 100 gigabytes to 200 gigabytes, and then for that reason only, it just was not enough. So I've gone with the 2 terabyte version. I was debating with the 4 terabytes. The difference is approximately 900 Canadian dollars, which is a lot of money for 2 extra terabytes. You can actually get a Samsung 860 SSD for $400, so for half the price. And unless you absolutely desperately need that amount of storage, then yes. Otherwise, I don't see a point. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick unboxing of this, and I'm going to give you my full review on this laptop in a couple of weeks of after using it. So a couple of things that I'm excited to test out is the new graphics on here, as well as the new butterfly keyboard. So it's the 6th generation, I believe, 6th or 4th. I'll probably just correct myself in the post edit. That is in this laptop, and there is a huge change and a huge difference and a bump up from the 2017 model when it comes to your processor, your graphics card, everything. So it's a 9th generation 8-core processor, not a quad core. In the 2017s, it's an 8-core processor, and you're able to now hit 32 gigabytes of RAM, which is what this baby has right here. Can't wait to test that out on my regular video edits as well as my photo editing softwares. I use Lightroom. I rarely use Photoshop. I might start doing that with this laptop right here. Besides this laptop, what you get is your charging cable, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and then your designed in Apple playbook, and finally a charger. You don't get the extension cable for the charger. You kind of have to buy it separately, which I already do have, so I'll just continue with that. And it's the same charger in the 2017, same charger and same cable, but what's different is what's inside over here. So really excited about that. Still comes with the 4 USB-C ports on the sides, and let's quickly get this off. All right guys, so we're back, and just got everything out of the way. I plugged in the charger with the cable, and excited to unbox this and turn it back on, and just do my quick initial review of this one compared to my 2017 one. It's a little bit, I feel like it's a little bit heavier than my 2017. It's more components that have been added to the 2019, so it kind of feels like a good heavy laptop. The weight according to UPS was about 3 kilos, so approximately 6 pounds. I'm projecting this laptop to be anywhere from 4.5 to 4 pounds to 4.5 pounds. So let's take off the sides. Here is the MacBook Pro in all its glory. Let's turn it on and get it going. And there it is, that traditional Apple sign on right when you open up. I love that. So let's see what's new and what feels different. Right off the bat, I feel like the keyboard is a little bit different, but I'm not noticing it right away because it's still loading up. I'll be sure to do a full-on review of this laptop in a couple of weeks.
English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, I can't wait to test this out on my everyday lifestyle when it comes to, you know, video editing, photo editing. Those are pretty graphic intensive applications that I'm using. I'm using Final Cut Pro for my video editing, and then for my photo editing I primarily use Lightroom. I can't wait to use Photoshop. I didn't use it with the 2017 one because I felt it wasn't like strong enough. It would lag behind, but 32 gigabytes of RAM. Can't wait to test this one out. I really am excited for this, and if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future content on this one, and let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on this MacBook Pro. Are you currently using it? What do you like about it? What you don't like about it? I know there's been some issues with the T2 chip on this particular model. There's, you know, plus sides, negative sides of the T2 chip. Plus side is it's supposed to lock your computer down, that nobody can even access to your computer unless you put the password in. Not even the Apple Store reps can access your hard drives. They can with the 2017 models. Now this is actually being told to me from an Apple Store rep, so I'll have to give it up to him for that one, and I have to kind of trust him when he says that stuff. So definitely can't wait to test that out. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.